In this video, we'll be reviewing the best brad nailers on the market today. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered with top-rated models that offer precision, durability, and convenience. Let's dive in. The BOSTITCH Brad Nailer Kit offers an excellent balance of performance and value. With its smart point technology, this 18-gauge pneumatic nailer provides exceptional precision, allowing for easy nail placement with a smaller nose that eliminates the need to compress the contact tip. It's ideal for delicate tasks like trim and finishing work. The oil-free operation means you don't have to worry about oil stains on your projects, while the tool-free jam release ensures you can clear any blockages without frustration. Its selectable trigger system lets you choose between sequential or contact operation for added flexibility, depending on the task at hand. Priced at $95.09, a 36% discount from the original $149, this nailer is a smart investment for both professionals and DIYers. If you're after a reliable, easy-to-use tool for precision nailing, the BOSTITCH Brad Nailer Kit is a solid pick. If you're looking for a budget-friendly brad nailer that gets the job done, the WEN 617 18-gauge pneumatic brad nailer is a standout option. What we like about this model is its simplicity and reliability for light-duty projects, all at an unbeatable price of $27.93. It shoots 18-gauge brads ranging from 3/8 inch to 2 inches, making it versatile for a variety of tasks like trim work, molding, and craft. With a depth adjustment wheel, you can control how deep each nail goes, ensuring precision in every use. The quick-release magazine holds 106 nails, letting you work for longer without constantly reloading. The rotatable exhaust directs air away from your face and project, keeping things comfortable during use. Plus, the hassle-free nose latch ensures jammed nails are cleared quickly, minimizing downtime. At this price point, the WEN 61721 is perfect for DIYers and those working on smaller carpentry projects. The Metabo HPT 18-gauge brad nailer is a powerhouse in the finish and trim tool category. With a lightweight design at just 2.2 pounds, it provides users with ultimate control and comfort even during extended use. It delivers precision performance, accepting brad nails from 5/8 to 2 inches in length, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from trim work to furniture building. The selective actuation switch allows for easy mode changes between bump fire and sequential fire, giving you the flexibility to match your project needs. The no-mar tip ensures you don't damage delicate work surfaces, while the tool-less depth adjustment and reload indicator add convenience and accuracy to your work. This reliable tool also features a 360-degree adjustable exhaust to keep your workspace clean. At $59, this affordable, durable option is built to handle your toughest jobs without breaking the bank. The Porter Cable 20-volt Max 18-gauge brad nailer kit is a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable cordless solution for finish and trim work. Powered by a 20-volt battery, this nailer eliminates the need for a compressor or gas cartridges, making it easy to use in any setting. With its consistent firing power, you can tackle a wide range of materials and conditions. The lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort during long hours of use, and the multiple settings, which require no extra tools, allow for greater flexibility. Plus, the dual LED lights brighten dark workspaces while also indicating any errors. At around $210, it's an excellent option for those who need a dependable, efficient brad nailer with no cords to hold you back. The Makita AF506 18-gauge brad nailer is built for precision and durability. It's designed to handle nails ranging from 5/8 inch to 2 inches in length, making it perfect for trim work, crown molding, and other fine finish tasks. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, this lightweight tool offers ease of use for long hours without causing strain. The aluminum body ensures durability, while the narrow nose design allows access to tight spaces. With its built-in air duster, the AF506 keeps your work surface clear, promoting a cleaner workspace. The tool-less depth adjustment dial provides quick and precise adjustments for a variety of applications. This brad nailer also features a reversible belt hook for convenience, and its magazine can hold up to 100 nails. You can find it for around $120, making it a great value for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.